The AC RTJ Accessory Kit for the Lee RTJ 400. The AC RTJ Accessory Kit is a great addition to the Lee RTJ 400. The kit includes 9 high-quality Lee router bits, a collet reducer, and the patented Lee E7 guide bushing. With the AC RTJ Accessory Kit, you can route 4 additional sizes of full pitch through dovetails. 4 sizes of half pitch through dovetails can be routed when used in combination with the Lee 5/16 of an inch straight bit and the E7 guide bushing. 2 additional depths of half-blind dovetails can be routed, as well as 2 additional sizes of box joints. The AC RTJ Accessory Kit is a cost-effective way to get the most out of the RTJ 400. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.